Hello, everyone. My name is Alejandro de la Cerda. I'm here with Herberger Institute Office of Student Success, and we're going to look at how to go into the schedule planner to make a schedule that is right for you. So we're going to want to be on our homepage, My ASU, and our My Classes tab. Click on Registration, and then click on Schedule Planner. And when we get there, we're going to select the term that we'd like to enroll in. So we're going to click on 2023 Fall for this example, and then we're going to click on the location. So all of this information is going to vary based on the campus you'd like or what to term. But for now, we clicked on 2023 of fall and iCourses in Tempe. So we're going to click Save and Continue. And here we're going to see all the classes that we have already enrolled in. And so I have some classes in my shopping cart, but for now, I'm just going to uncheck those because I wanted to add another class that isn't any of these. So we see the classes I've already taken, or excuse me, not taken, but enrolled in. So we're going to click Add Course, and I want to take an art class. And here we'll be able to see all the art classes that are offered. So let's see, what is it that I wanted to take? Let's see if we can take the R116 class, Intro to Digital Media. So we're going to click Add the course. So you're going to add the course that you want. Then we're going to click back. And from there, we're going to see the course there. And then we're going to scroll down to the bottom and click Generate Schedules. And here it's going to generate a bunch of different schedules that show what you're already enrolled in the class you're wanting to take, and showing you all the different possible options of how those things could line up. So, and then when you click on the little excuse me, when you click on the little magnifying class button, you're going to see all the different ways that your schedule could function. So depending on the one that you'd like, you can select them. So let's just go ahead and view the third option. So then we see here how our classes line up and how that works out. So that looks pretty good to me. So we're going to scroll up and click Send to Shopping Cart. So we get this little pop-up that says the schedule will now be transferred to the shopping cart and the schedule planner will close. Do you want to continue? We're going to click Continue. And then we're going to be taken, excuse me, we are going to be taken to our shopping cart. And I was wanting to make sure you click on the classes that you're wanting to register for. And so for me, I'm really only wanting to enroll in the R116. From there, you're going to click Enroll, and you're going to be able to enroll in that class and the others with the schedule that the schedule planner has for you, since I imported it into the shopping cart. So that is how you use the schedule planner to be able to make a schedule that works best for you. I hope this helped you. And if you have any further questions, please give us a call at 480-965-4495. Give us an email at herbergeradvising@asu.edu. Or additionally, we also have express advising during the fall and spring school year on Tuesdays and Fridays. So that's another option for you as well. I hope this helped you and have a great rest of your day. Thank you.